Hi, today I'm making a 3 cheese herb quiche. And so for brunch, I thought it would be great to have this. It is a very easy recipe. You're going to begin with a half a cup of chopped thyme, a quarter cup of chopped bell pepper, a quarter cup of finely chopped chives, as well as half of a finely chopped garlic, a quarter cup of pepper jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then a quarter cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese. You're going to have salt and pepper to your taste, as well as nutmeg. We're going to add that a little bit. It's probably about a couple of shakes. Maybe that's a half a teaspoon. We're using 4 eggs, as well as a half a cup of milk, whole milk, and then a half a cup of heavy cream. We're going to add that minced garlic, or that finely chopped garlic, into the bowl with 4 eggs, the milk, cream, salt, pepper. And then we're going to add the nutmeg to the egg mixture, and we're just going to mix that well. And as it's mixing, I didn't use a hand mixer, I'm just using a fork here. But as you're mixing that, you want to just make sure all the ingredients are combined, and then you're going to start adding your herbs to the egg mixture. I then added all of the assorted cheese, and again, just going to mix gently, not over stir. Next, we're going to take our pie crust. Now, you can make a very easy pie crust, but I just bought one for time's sake, and we're going to bake that for about 15 minutes. I actually have made some slits into the pie crust to help the air to seep out. You can sometimes use pie beads or beans to literally keep that crust from rising in the pan. And we're going to cook that for 15 minutes. Once that is kind of lightly golden brown, it'll look like this. Next, we'll pour in the egg and cheese mixture into the baked pie crust. And we're going to return it to the oven on 350 degrees for another 35 minutes. Once it's done, you're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes, and you can cut it. It is a delicious, delicate egg pie, and definitely a nice complement to brunch.